Hello everybody, it is Greyhound and welcome to the channel. So today, I am going to try my hands. If I have what I need, I'll find something that'll work, I'm sure. At the number 4 in the Shackleman Cuff Club Challenge. Now, I want to talk about these real quick. Since I'm on here, I picked these up. I was just down in Florida, just got back. And I picked these up at an Academy Sports. They are listed as, what the heck was the company called? Guard Dog Security, I think. Let me go look at my emails. Yeah, Guard Dog Security. I have no idea who makes them for them. There is no markings on them anywhere. They're very similar to my ViperTechs in the fact that, as you can see, keyways, if you want to have your shackles going the same way, keyways, one on each side. They don't feel bad. They snap through quite nicely. Don't know if they're any good or not, but hey, we will find out. One thing I wanted to see with these is ooh, man, my Peerless key work on these? And it does. So now I can use this little Peerless tiny key. Well, let's get one of these out because I think we're going to need it to do this challenge. All right. So, as I understand, sorry about the coughing, folks. Managed to come back with the crud, too. We will do this. And there we are. We'll take these, and a little detent up here on the top is what you depress to latch the double locks. And as I understand it, the challenge is to pick the double lock. Oh, we're going to grab my 25,000 stog blade for this. Pick the double locks, then pick them open with a bobby pin, one of them, and the other side to shim it. So, let us see what we can do in here. And, ooh, come out of there. There. One double lock done. Let's get over here to the other side. And let's see. Double check. Yep, double locks are undone. Alright. Put that aside. Let's grab us a little bobby pin action. See if we can pick our way out of one of them. Oh, get down in there, yeah. Maybe. Yeah. There we have that one. Now shim the other side. One thing I noticed on these, they're fairly open, so I can shim them even with this big old 25,000s. Dog blade, at least I thought I could. Oof. Might have to grab something different. I don't have any true shims, so there we go. I have some shims coming from Southern Specialties. I ordered a couple shims to play with. But there you are. I know they're not Peerless, and this is a Peerless challenge. I still need to get a set of Peerless cuffs, but now I have the growing collection. I have my blacked out ViperTechs. I now have these. Like I said, I don't know who makes them. They feel halfway decent. They lock up. They function very smoothly. So, it is what it is. Thank you.